You can use some of the abrasives that you have to maybe get more out of them. So the first one would be if you want to make an indexing thing that you'd grab on this punch with a pair of tongs and you didn't want to forge that part in or you didn't want to cut it on a lathe, you just take your belt, right, and kind of whatever width you want and squeeze it, and then flip out the belt. And then put it on your belt grinder. You have to use the slack. You can't put it up against the flat. That was a little too wide. So you have to do it where there's slack in the belt. And it's always good too because your hands are going to put different pressure on the belt. It's hard to get it absolutely perfect. So just switch it. Anyway, you get the idea. That creates that groove there. And you can work at it and you can take longer, or you could strip out the belt so it's not so wide, but preferably you probably want to make your tongs first before you made this. That way you size this to your tongs, not your tongs to that. So that's one little thing.